What's the meaning of conspire? Conspire. Conspire.
Conspire. Conspire. Conspire means to plan or collaborate secretly to do something harmful, illegal, or reprehensible. It usually involves two or more individuals working together to achieve a particular goal, often through illegal means. The result of conspiring can vary depending on the nature and scope of the plan. In some cases, it may lead to the successful achievement of the intended goal, which could be anything from fraud to terrorism. However, if discovered, conspiring can also result in serious legal repercussions, including fines, imprisonment, and damage to one's reputation. Ultimately, conspiring is considered unethical and damaging to society as a whole.